Hi friends, welcome to Yadbhushan Academy and welcome to 100 Days Guidance Program. Today is the discussion point of Telangana movement, its reference books, sources and materials. As we know that our first target is to get at least 5,000 selections from the upcoming 50,000 vacancies. So the first thing you have to do is download the Yadbhushan Academy app from Google Play Store, or you can search our YouTube channel from YouTube search, or you can download it from Google Chrome also. In the application we are providing daily current affairs and daily updates about examinations and some important ebooks and materials and tests also. And the second work you have to do is to allot specific 6 hours at least from today onwards, because till now the notification has not been released. So allot yourself at least 6 hours. In that 6 hours you have to study at least 4 hours and take notes, and 1 hour for revision and 1 hour for attempting the tests. Like this you have to continue your preparation at least 100 days, and continue your preparation another 100 days till completion of the all examinations. Then only you will be one of the chief achiever and one of the aspirant and one of the successful person in this upcoming mega job notifications in Telangana. So our target is 5,000 selections from among the 50,000 vacancies. Daily we are discussing examination success techniques, memory techniques, study techniques, reference books of subjects and previous questions and syllabuses of various subjects. In the earlier classes we have discussed the two subjects. First one is the Telangana geography. We have discussed its reference sources, syllabus and previous questions analysis. And second subject we have discussed is Telangana history, its reference sources, syllabus and previous questions analysis also we have completed. In the meanwhile we have discussed the importance of questions, types of questions and how to solve the objective questions. Today's discussion point is the Telangana movement. The third important subject in the upcoming Telangana examinations is Telangana movement. You have to know each and every detail of Telangana movement. To gain the complete knowledge of Telangana movement, you have to follow some resources, materials. I will shortly describe you the materials for your sake. The first reference source you have to approach is Telangana Androdhyamam. Telangana Androdhyamam by Madapati Hanumantarao. This book is written in a Telugu language, so the people who are preparing in Telugu medium, maybe it is very useful. So you have to read that book and make a short notes from it. That is, the book name is Telangana Androdhyamam by Madapati Hanumantarao garu. And another book is in Telugu language, that is Adhunika Andhra Pradesh Charitra by Telugu Academy itself. Telugu Academy has written an excellent book regarding the AP history. So in that book the discussions from 1948 to 1990 they have discussed the main important topics. The book is very much useful for the Telugu medium students, and the book is available in the English medium also. Next, another important resource you have to visit is the official website of Telangana Rashtra Samiti Party, that is the website of TRS Party. It had a lot of information. You can sort out the syllabus, the points according to your syllabus. Third is website. First book is Madapati Hanumantarao book. Second book is Adhunika Andhra Pradesh Charitra by Telugu Academy. Third reference resource is TRS Party website. You will get a lot of information. And fourth one is AP Reorganization Act 2014. It contains a lot of information which is very much useful for our Telangana examination. It is available in both languages, both Telugu media and English medium. So you can download it from internet also. AP Reorganization Act. It contains almost 70 pages. You have to go through each and every detail. Then only you will be able to understand the importance of Telangana movement. This is the fourth reference source. And in the Telangana history, I have mentioned the book that is Modern Andhra Pradesh History by P. Raghunath Rao Garu. It is available in both languages, in Telugu language and English language. The name of the book is Modern AP History or Adhunika Andhra Pradesh Charitra by P. Raghunath Rao Garu. It is very much useful. The book contains the information from 1940 to 2010. So it is a very much resourceful book. And there are some website that is www.telangana.gov.in. This is the official website of Telangana government. You can download the socio-economic outlook, socio-economic survey, like PDFs published by the Telangana government. They are very much useful for the preparation of Telangana movement. These are the important resources for the preparation of Telangana movement. And socio-economic outlook Telangana, you can download it from telangana.gov.in. So these are the important resources for Telangana movement. And if you are not able to procure all this information, you can use one single book, that is a book published by Telugu Academy. The name of the book is Telangana Movement by Telugu Academy. This book is available in both languages, Telugu medium and English medium. In Telugu medium, the book is looks like this: Telangana Udyamam Rashtra Avatarana. It is especially printed for the competitive examinations. This book contains a lot of information. You don't need to read all these resources. All these resources are available in this only book is. So you can gain the lot of information from this resource also. It is available in both English medium and Telugu medium. So these are the important resources for the Telangana movement. I think these resources are very much useful and you can be beneficial from these resources. All the best.